Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Quiet Mic Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If your microphone is too quiet in Windows 11, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you fix a quiet mic on Windows 11. First method, ensure that your microphone is properly connected to your PC and not physically damaged. Next method, ensure that the correct microphone is selected as the input device. Go to the Settings, System, then go to Sound, Input. Choose the correct microphone from the drop-down menu. Another method, increase the microphone volume settings. To do this, go to the Settings, System, Sound, Input, Microphone. Click on Device Properties, or just the microphone name, and adjust the volume slider. Another method, outdated or incorrect audio drivers can cause issues with microphone volume. Right-click the Start Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on your microphone and choose to click Update Driver. Choose to click Search automatically for updated driver software. Next method, use the built-in troubleshooter to detect and fix audio issues. Now go to the Settings, System, Sound, Advanced, Troubleshoot, then click Input to run Troubleshoot. Another method, ensure that apps are allowed to use your microphone. To do this, go to the Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. Make sure the toggle for microphone access is enabled. Scroll down and ensure that toggle for let apps access your microphone is enabled. Check that the specific apps you're using has microphone access. Last method, make sure your system is up to date with the latest patches and updates. To do this, go to the Settings, Windows Update, then check for updates or install available updates. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.